Evening. This is my project zero for Harvard cs50 web programming with Python and JavaScript course. And my project is a personal homepage with a blog. And here you can see some components that I use from Bootstrap. We have a nav bar, and there's the media component in here. And then here's the card component. And every web page has this nav bar, and it has a left sidebar with my profile picture and my name and title, and then it has a right sidebar with the blog tags and the years in which the blog was published. And these links will take you to the blog index page, which we'll go to next. And here we see the blog index page, and we see the tags and the different subjects, and then the blog posts that belong to those subjects, and then they're also organized by date in which they were published. We have the different years. And then if you click on one of these, it takes you to the article where we have an image, a headline, a dateline, the rest of the article. You can also get to the articles from the homepage where we have a hero teaser of the latest from the blog, and then we have two smaller teasers from the next latest ones from the blog. They contain the category of the blog as well as a read more link to read more, and you can click on that, and again it takes you to the page, as do these. And then we have a resume page, which is using a table, and it has the business I work for, the date that I work there, and my title, and a link to LinkedIn that opens in a new browser to show the rest of my profile. And again, from the right bar, you can get to the blog post via either the tags or the published dates. And then for mobile view, um, you can see that the page basically just stacks. The navbar is the Bootstrap component navbar, and it folds up and becomes a drop down on mobile view. And we have my left bar at the top, and then we have the center. Everything just stacks, and then we have the aside, the right one stacks down at the bottom. For code, if we look at the main CSS file, one thing we'll note is that I'm taking a mobile first architecture, so everything in here is how mobile should be displayed, and then we have a media query to indicate at the minimum width of 768 pixels. That's where we see some changes for the desktop, or things that are at a minimum of 768 pixels. And then we have a variety of different selectors. We have the star selector, we have classes, we have tag selectors, we have IDs, we have the hover selector, and then we have nested selectors. There's our media query again. And then we are using variables for the color palette as well as the navbar height. And then we have some parent components that we use to extend from. One is the aside, and the other is the link button. And the link buttons hover. And that's it.